The National Weather Service has issued a hurricane warning for the following counties: Arlington, Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, Baltimore, Maryland, Ocean City, Maryland, and the Outer Banks in North Carolina, in effect until 10:45 p.m. on July 26, 2012. On July 14, 2012, authorities reported a Category 5 hurricane with wind speeds up to 75 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous situation, so you must pack food, water, and a battery-operated radio to the nearest shelter or bathroom. Once again, this is an extremely dangerous situation, so you must pack food.